Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with a Motorola G85 Android phone, and in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on the flash notifications. Okay, so it's real simple to do, just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So pull down the notification panel twice and then go into the settings and then scroll down to where it says notifications. Go ahead and select it. Then scroll down again to where it says flash notifications, and as you can see, it's off at the moment. So select it, and here it just explains how flash notifications work. So flash notifications flash the camera light or the screen when you receive notifications or when alarms sound. So when you first get the phone, both these options will be switched off. I recommend turning both on. So turn on the camera flash and also the screen flash. And then if you select the little preview option here, it gives you a little preview of how it looks when you get your notifications or when you get your incoming calls. So the display is going to flash yellow and the camera on the back is going to flash as well. So let me just pick up the phone and give you all a demonstration. So as you can see, the camera there on the back is flashing. And like I said, the display also flashes as well. Okay, so where it says screen flash, if you select it, it brings up this option here where you can change the screen flash color. So there's loads of different colors to choose from. So you can have it flashing red, or green, or blue, okay, so I'm just going to quickly give you all a demonstration. So I'm going to call the phone. So as you can see, the display is flashing blue, and also the camera light there on the back is also flashing as well. So yeah guys, this was just my quick video showing you how to turn on the flash notifications on the Motorola G85 Android phone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next video. I'm out. Deuces.